and welcome back for our life skill classes. As in this subject beta, we have already completed our lesson number 13. So today beta we are going to start the lesson number 14. The lesson number 14 is going to speak something about all are equal. All are equal. Value do not discriminate. Do not discriminate. Means what is discrimination? Discrimination means unequal treatment. So what is discrimination? Discrimination is unequal treatment. When we are not treating all the peoples equally, when we are treating the different peoples in a different way, it is called the discrimination. Means to some peoples we are giving so much of the care, and to some people we are not giving that much of the care. So, to some people we are showing our love, and to some people we are not showing our love. For some people we are giving the opportunities, to some people we are not giving the opportunities. So such type of treatment is called the unequal treatment, and it is called the discrimination. So discrimination means unequal treatment, not treating all the peoples equally. Actually, my children, discrimination is a great curse. Discrimination is a great curse in the human society. We should not discriminate to one another. We should give the equal treatment to all. Actually, my child, the discrimination is of the discrimination on the ground basis. In our country India, there is a lot of discrimination on the basis of the caste, religion, creed and the race. In our India, there is a lot of discrimination among the peoples on the basis of the race, caste, religion, age, language and even the gender. The peoples are discriminating between the boys and the girls. So my child, there should be no discrimination. Now my child, the racial discrimination, among the different type of the discrimination, the racial discrimination is of three types: physical effect, social effect and the psychological effect. Physical, in the case of the racial discrimination, the physical effect is the very common and it is visible. Social effect, it leads to the inequality in the society, and psychological effect make the peoples disturbed, and such type of peoples get scared in living in this world. Now my child, those people who are discriminated, how they are feeling? So those people who are discriminated, my child, sometimes such type of peoples are becoming very, very aggressive. When the peoples are being discriminated, among them some peoples become so much aggressive means they become so much angry mode, and they start showing their anger in a very, very fast way. Some peoples commit the suicide. Even suppose the person have been discriminated a lot, then that person is also committing the suicide, my child. So we should not discriminate any person. So unstable environment, sometimes this discrimination also create the unstable environment in the society. So my child, if you are discriminating a person, the person can become very, very aggressive. He will start showing his anger upon others, he will start shouting upon others. Some of the people, those who are discriminated, they commit this suicide. They do not want to like in this world. They start hitting themselves, and the discrimination also creates the unstable environment in the society. In our country India, my child, there was a lot of discrimination in the olden time. The peoples, those who are called untouchables, they were not allowed to enter the temple. They were not allowed to swim in the river. They were not allowed to draw the water from the well. From the well, the other caste, higher caste peoples are drawing the water. The untouchables were not allowed to walk on the road. The untouchables peoples were not given the good job. The untouchable children were not allowed to study in the good school where the children of the higher society children are studying. So there was a lot of discrimination in India in the olden time. But because of the set rules and regulations laid down by our government, my child, nowadays the discrimination among these untouchables is going out of our country. I want to tell you a small story upon the discrimination. Once upon a time, there was one untouchable man. He was living outside the village in a hut. That person was not allowed to draw the water from the bed, neither allowed to enter the temple, neither allowed to water bath in the river. Nobody is giving him the job because he belongs to the untouchables family. One day that person was going to the nearby village in the search of the job. Since he was untouchable, so he cannot use any of the means of the transport to go. So that person, what he did, he started walking. When he was walking, it was so much hot and sunny day. So that person was so much sweating a lot and he was thirsty. So when he was walking on the way, he saw a river. Some children were swimming in the river. By seeing the children, it was very hot and the person was so much sweating. He thought that I should drink the water, I should also have a bath. So that person also went into the river. When that person was just entering the river, a old man from the back shouted upon him, "Hey, how are you entering the river? This river is not meant for you." So old man was shouting upon that person. So that person who have entered the water, he just stand up and he looked. All the children who were swimming in the river, they start looking at that man and the old man. The old man said, "Hey, you cannot enter in the river, you cannot bath in the river." So that person felt very ashamed and he came out of the river. And he started moving away. When that untouchable person was moving away from the river, he had gone to a small distance only. He heard a cry. He heard a cry of a child. That child was drowning in the water. The child was drowning in the water. So that untouchable man, he went near that old man and asked, "Go and save the child. The child is drowning in the water. Otherwise, the child will die." The old man said, "I don't know how to swim. How can I save the child?" By listening to that untouchable man, without waiting for a minute, he at once jumped into the river and he saved that small child which was drawing in the water. Now my child, soon so many people of the village have gathered here, and that child was the grandson of that old man only. When the parents of this child came, the parents, mother and father both have thanked to that untouchable man. "Thank you, Bhaiya, for saving the life of my son." Then after that father of the child told, "Thank you, brother. It is because of you my child life has been saved. From today onwards, we will not discriminate anyone. As we are, you will be among one of us." So after that, that person also started living a better life. No one discriminated that person, and after that, the person was also given a job in the nearby farmhouse. So after that, person started living a better life. So my dear child, the main moral value of this lesson is that we should not discriminate anyone. Discrimination is a great curse in the human society. We should treat all the peoples equally. We all are the sons of the same Father. Our God is one. We all are one. So my child, when you are one, all the humans of this world are one. So we should not discriminate one another. We should love to one another. Because discrimination create a lot of unbalance in the society. Thank you very much.